we like. Yeah, so once again, the market is correcting itself, or on a track to correcting itself. So these big whales, I mean, if I'm the big whales, I will never let it go down to less than I will never let it go down to even 30,000. Yeah. So what I want, if I'm the whale, I'll try to trade more in the margin and then try to push it up again. Yeah. And of course, the whales don't just buy Bitcoin, you know that. The whales buys a lot of other things, including Dogecoin. Oh, by the way, I saw this coin called Matic. It's from the project guys are from India. So while all these are going down, while Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB are going down, these Matic guys are going up.
That is
yeah. I bought about because it was new to me, so I bought 70 over Matic at 80 cents. So because I'm not too sure, so I just put 70 over dollars, and then it went up to from 80 cents, it went up to $1.20. So I thought, oh, I have earned 50%. So I just sell. God knows it went up to $1.60. while the whole world is going down, while the whole world is going down. Yeah. So there are still opportunities out there in the market. You just have to take a look at them and make a decision yourself. Do some homework on your own. Yeah.
And let's discuss again about the green cryptocurrency, because Tesla says they want to add they want to add other crypto, but the green is mean that less consume a lot of electricity. So this article comes from the Cointelegraph, and they compare and they suggest some of the green cryptocurrency. Most of them is coming from the proof of stake, and here's some suggestion: Ethereum and proof of stake here, and it's also compared with it's, let me share to you. It's compare. Oh, this is not okay, and it's compared with some of the watt transaction, 62 kilowatt per transaction, and with the proof of stake, 99% more energy efficient than proof of work. But based on the proof of stake is also have one more thing we need to considering, because with the proof of work, who hold a large amount of coin can control the market. It's totally not decentralized anymore. And the next one is Ripple is also depending on the SEC lawsuit, because Ripple is also the now there is a proof of work. Remind transaction tiny amount energy of proof of work. Yeah, and now it's under the regulation, and it's in the lawsuit with the SEC in US. And the next is Stellar SLM. It's also based on the Stellar Consensus Protocol (SCP). It's also less energy than the proof of work and proof of stake model. And it's this model is also nice. Also, we can considering for the Algorand. Algorand is a pure proof of stake. Is having is new here, and the last but not least, the last is dark horse, is a dark dog. Yeah.
Dark horse and dark dog.
Yeah.
We have a lot of mongrels that are black color here.
Yeah. But this one is also proof of work is consume 18 kilowatt per hour for transaction, and it is use 0.12 kilowatt. Zero, yeah, it's that means it's consume.
0.12 kilowatt per
Yeah,
kilowatt hour per transaction.
yeah. It means it's also consume a lot of energy. So in conclusion, the the Tesla said that green cryptocurrency, yeah, and but they just focus on their dark dog, uh, and then they want to promote us. That's why there's a lot of people in the Twitter they suggest should Elon Musk keep 20% of the of the Dogecoin in the list, and I also do the research. This Dogecoin, and in the list of the Dogecoin, we also can see there's there's a wallet hold around 26%, and there's one of the articles. This here, this wallet of the Dogecoin here, 20 here the wallet that hold 28%, 28% of the coin. This one wallet
Can
here.
can you scroll to, or rather, because yeah. No. Make it smaller. Yeah. Okay. 10 million USD.
This one hold
10 million USD wallet. There are 351 of them. 1 million USD wallet. There are 2,000 over them. 2,000 over. And then 100,000. There's about what? Scroll to the left. 19,000. Nearly 20,000. Yeah, so there is a small percentage of them who has a lot of Dogecoin.
Yeah, that's this means that we focus on the last one. The last is just one wallet that hold 28,000, 28% of the coin. Yeah, and let's have a look which wallet, and because we do the research and see that this wallet is not belong to Elon Musk based on one of the article in this wallet. Let me see. This one 20%, 1%. This wallet DS5. This wallet DS5 hold 28% of the coins, and some of the research they do the research, they find out this wallet is not belong to Elon Musk. It's belong to the people they think it's belong to the one of the exchange. Yeah, but not Binance exchange. It's belong to Robinhood exchange because CG also announced that this not belong to Binance exchange, and it's belong to Robinhood. And yeah, the Robinhood exchange in US. Yeah, and it's just a rumor because people think, oh, Elon Musk give a large amount of block and they want to he want to manipulate. But now we see one exchange they give a large amount. What will be happen if this total coin?
Sorry to. It says the number one address, right? There's 17 billion USD worth.
Yeah.
So actually, if you look at it, I don't think. Look at logical perspective, I don't think Elon Musk will want to put $17 billion into a crypto just like that. yeah, unless there is some, he's a businessman. Unless there is some thing that he seriously is planning on for either his Tesla or SpaceX, then perhaps he really will put this kind of money into crypto. Otherwise, he'll just probably put like what the news articles has been talking about. He'll probably just put 1 billion and not 17 billion. You know, yeah.
Yeah, okay, and then let's move forward to the next article. Is about also this one we can hear about when he did something and everything go to the sink. Yeah, it's also not quite nice because I just want focus on this article in. Let me check. Yeah, in ATS is share information to us about one of the furniture retailer, Xeonbit, the stock ticker in ATS. Oh, because it may make the other investor get confusing because he's the one who sell the furniture, but his stock ticker is ETS and make the people think that it's Ethereum cryptocurrency have this on the stock market. Yeah, it's so funny. Yeah.
That is why stock investors, crypto investors, please
Yeah.
always remember to do some homework.
Yeah. This it's just funny stuff about this, and
Yeah, that is why Richard and I never stop asking you, reminding you to do your homework.
yeah, and some of my friends, the people asking where's the dip to buys and based on the trading view, it's time to buy. Is now the price 44,000. It's around 44,000, and if
I
you
tried to
want
enter
to,
at 40,000 though, but I didn't go there. Go
no,
there.
that's if you cannot buy as the based on some charts, I can see that if it the 42,000 is support level. If it's go further, it's the breakthrough. You can considering with the level at 30,000. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's
So
like that.
for those who think that it might go down to 40, there's always this support level that 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 you that 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 you typically try not to go down, or rather the whales typically try not to send it down below the support level.
Yeah.
So if it doesn't hit the support level or as low as you think it may, you buy alternate currency.
Yeah, but we also can considering if it's go higher than 45,000 from today,
Yeah.
it may reach the resistance level at 55,000. It may be back at 55,000 soon.
Then I can quickly sell mine at 55.
Yeah. You can check
Because
it out at the
I bought some at
55,000.
49,000. So then just after that, it goes down. So of course, I'm learning from all the people out there is that if it goes down, don't panic. So you know that you are not buying at a super high price. You're buying at somewhere in the middle, and if it goes down, don't panic. So once the market correct itself, you go shoot back up, and then I'm just waiting for it to go 55.
Yeah. And the other people they focus on alternative coin is like ETS or BNB, and all the other coin is flying. And I hope that
people can buy ETC as well.
yeah. Yeah, that's why there's so many, and you can do the research. I also want to another. So we also add more liquidity of our crypto. Say on bit token on Uniswap. Yeah, version 3. You also can check it out on the Uniswap version 3. Let me
Is it out
show.
already?
It is out for a long time. So.
All right.
Yeah, and last time is on the version 2. Also, the pancake swap, the new, we also added the liquidity on the pancake swap too. Of the version 2, you also
Pancake
can
swap,
check.
right?
Yeah, the bank. Let me go to Uniswap. too. Yeah, this is Uniswap version 3 of you also can check like this, check the inbox if you want to buy just I think yeah, it will automatically show the price. This is the version 3. You can check it's version 3 here. Yeah, and you can buy with the version 2. So okay, so right, because we still keep the price, keep the liquidity of the version 2 also. Yeah, and the pancake swap, the pancake swap, you can check here. With the pancake swap, some of you may have a difficulty to find the smart contract address. You can see go to the PS scan. PS scan is a scan of the smart contract on the token here, and you can check it out. It's check the SNS with the logo, and you all can see this all the detail of logo, and you copy the smart contract. Just copy this one and based on the pancake swap here, and it's you also can buy. Example, you time buy the BNB with the BNB, and it show the coin, the token you will receive. Yeah, just a swap is a way to swap. Moreover, you can add the liquidity with the pair uh, if you currently hold the SNS and some of the other pair like the USDT or BUSD, you can add the liquidity and you earn your own profits. Yeah, this is one. And remember, we have the BSC scan on the BSC scan and on ETH scan with the transaction. Let me go to ETH scan. Um, the smart contract on the BSC scan and the smart contract on the ETH scan are different, and I need to remind you, remember to check your smart contract, check the smart contract correctly before doing the swap, because if you have wrong smart contract, you totally receive the wrong the incorrect
Yeah.
token.
This this is the ether scan.
Yeah, this ether scan. Yeah, and
So
you
don't confuse, huh?
yeah. So we can go to here to check the Xeonbit token, and it show up here. I also don't know why it cannot show the price in the ether scan, but it can show the price on the BSC scan here. Yeah, so you can purchase and do all make the payment, make a swap
Yeah.
in.
Maybe, bro. We can spend a few seconds to tell some of the new listeners, what's the difference between Etherscan and BSC scan.
Yeah, the difference between Etherscan is based on the Ethereum protocol, based on the Ethereum blockchain, and BSC scan is based on the Binance Smart Chains. Yeah,
Yeah.
we also have one more explorer. It says the Binance Chains. Yeah, a lot of people may get confusing here. Explorer, Binance Chains. This is in BNB, they have two chains. One is Binance chains, Binance Smart Chain. Yeah, with the Binance chain, we also have this one is based on the BEP2. BEP2, yeah. This one is this one. Why people ask us why is have this asset here, because you have asset here in order to choose the Binance decentralized chain, Binance DEX. Yeah, this one we should have this, and it will join the Binance DEX soon. Yeah, so that currently our Xeonbit token, I mean Xeonbit token with the token behind, we are on 3 chains: Binance Smart Chain, Binance Chains, and Ethereum Chains. Yeah, that's, and you can make a purchase by Xeonbit token on the swap, PancakeSwap, Uniswap, and the other centralized chains like Bithumb Pro. You also can go there to buy it and check it out. If you don't have if you have any question, just go to our Telegram group and send the question to ask us about this one. Yeah, it's super easy, and yeah, it's really fast. And if you do the swap on the PancakeSwap or Uniswap like this, yeah. And now we are back with the news today, and we think Bitcoin is some of the boom. They also doing the upgrade of the boosting taproot to improve the mining, to improve the transaction. Yeah, this is news. It's a nice thing for us to focus on, and we also can see some based on the news today. The news this day. Let's check now, and we see the Coinbase. The Coinbase they has have the Chrome extension for the wallet application to improve. They will do the DeFi, accept DeFi soon. And based on the Coinbase, he said that he has raised 1.2 billion in bond sales after 1 month after going public. It means all the sale of the coin stock. Yeah, he earned 1.2 billion, and now the price of the coin should around 200 and 100. Let me check on the trading view. Let's check on TradingView. What is the price of the coins? Let me see.
Base to raise. Okay, let me.
The cost base stock price. We also can check it on the Binance. Also have the stock. So you can see that. Yeah. The price now is also 248. Yeah. Yeah, because
they launch at what price?
248 USD.
No, the on the left side.
They launched at 429.
I think they launched at 333 plus, and it went up to 4 something.
Yeah,
no. They launched at 3. I think they launched at 380.
Yeah.
I mean,
because when I see
at the start of this chart, they started with 380, and then they closed on the day at 330, something like that.
Yeah, because one more information I know explain why the price going down, because based on each quarter of the years, a lot of we know that so many institutional investor jump into the market, to the crypto market, and then they jump in the late of the 2020, and they got the profits until now. and currently now is the dip of the stock market, and they need to cash out to buy some of the other asset in the stock market, in the traditional market, and that's the reason why when they cash out, they make the market dip, and they try to save the stock market. All the news, when I see, in my own opinion, when I see, it's based on it's coming from the US. Most of the US news sources coming from to tell about the dip, the dump in the crypto, and it's make the panic sell from the weekend investor. That's why if we are we see in the Coindex, there's a share, there's a discuss about let me find what's in Coindex. Okay, in the Coindex also say like that because with some of the weekend investor, they try to sell out to sell, but with the people have the experience in the crypto market, is a time for them to find more, to get more of cryptocurrency this day. It depends on how much cash they still have now. But I think the market now is recovered. It's also time for crypto market, because with the crypto market, you can save the economic, some of the capitalism country, they want cash to coming out. Currently, we see the Fed will bring out the money to sell the market, but still not. Some of the stimulus markets still did not arise. So Tesla also needs the stimulus market, because they need to submit to get 1.2 billion in the stimulus at the green energy, so that the Tesla need to announce that we don't accept Bitcoin because we want the green energy, something like that. And so that's one of the bull string, the thing we cannot see. And that case is short, is get the money, get the capitalism from the weekend investor, because the capitalism, the other country, they use the social network, they use they use the news source. They want to spread the panic, to let the people sell all their crypto, and they earn a lot while the price on peak. That is my own opinion. With the other opinion, they want to have another explanation how the price dip and why the market is down this day. You can see this article says crypto doesn't need a savior. That's right. Crypto doesn't lie or want a king. That's why when the price go down, we can see that it will automatically make a correction. That is the way in the crypto. It's why in the crypto market, it's people they need a strong hand, they need a strong heart to hold cryptocurrency into the best for their own crypto journey. And I think it's time for us to say goodbye today. I hope you all have a nice week and do more research, think more about your own cryptocurrency, and let's be rich in the crypto channel. And I wish you all there. And Nicholas, you can share something now.
Once again, thank you all for joining us. Always good to have your support, and never forget to do your own due diligence on any coin possible. Be it Bitcoin, read up on the news, be it alternative coins, you check out, especially those new ones that you never heard of before, and you might find interest in them, but please read up on anything they got to do with their company or their projects, right? See you all again very soon.
Okay, see you.
Bye.
Yeah.